I've always had a lot of problems with my teeth. Having confidence, speaking with other people, socializing in general was real difficult for me. When I found Dr. Keadle, he was able to go over that with me and figure out a plan. He gave me medication to make me comfortable during the procedure because I was extremely nervous. All the girls were helpful and supportive, and so was Dr. Keadle. It was a good experience. I've heard from strangers, even besides my family, oh, your smile and your teeth are beautiful, and it's a great feeling. New Smile, Carolina, was the only option for me. I wouldn't have trusted anyone but Dr. Keadle to give me my smile back. Just look at this smile. Wouldn't you want it?